Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, and this week we are going to be taking a look at making fresh homemade mayonnaise. Now, this has always sounded a little bit daunting for me, with all the horror stories of people making mayonnaise, but it splits, they can't get the oil in properly, and it just really doesn't come together. But with this recipe I found absolutely no problems with it whatsoever. All you are going to need is 2 fresh eggs, preferably at room temperature, 1 cup or 240 ml of oil of your choice, you could also use flavoured oils, and 2 teaspoons of an acid like fresh lemon juice or a preferred vinegar. Personally, I really like this apple cider vinegar, and then finally a pinch of salt to taste. First, we're going to need to separate our egg yolks from the whites, setting the whites aside to make something like meringues, possibly for a future video. Now, pour your acid of choice into the bowl with the egg yolks and whisk to combine until fully mixed. Slowly add a few drops at a time of the oil to the yolks, whisking constantly. Now, this is where having a third hand would really help to actually hold the bowl, pour the oil and whisk at the same time. Once your mayonnaise starts to thicken, you can add the oil in a little bit quicker at a time until you build up to a steady stream. If your oil starts to build up, then stop pouring it in, give the whole mixture a good whisk until fully combined again, and then start slowly adding the oil. Once all of the oil is mixed in, you will have a very simple mayonnaise. Now, if your mayonnaise is too thick for your liking, you can whisk in around a teaspoon of water at a time until it reaches a consistency you are happy with. Here you can season your mayonnaise with some salt. I also chose to add a splash of my chili oil because I didn't really feel like pouring a cup of Carolina Reaper oil into my mayonnaise mixture. I also added some paprika and some freshly ground black pepper. Well, there you have it folks, a very simple mayonnaise. Now, as I said earlier, this was very daunting to me because of all the horror stories, but with this recipe it turned out absolutely perfect. Now, if you do make this, let me know in the comments below, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing, as it does mean a lot for a small channel such as this one trying to grow. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all next week.